because a lot of times when I relax my hair, most of the time, when I first relax it and I curl it really tight. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all my subbies and what's up to the newbies. That's everybody checking me out for the very first time. I really appreciate it. Get on in here. Let's chit chat just for a little bit, Today, I just wanted to go over, I have a relaxer update, okay, and a hair update, because you guys know, well, those who are initiated, you guys already know that I relax right. And also when I relax, I like to, exactly. So I like to relax every 7 to 8 weeks, and I like to trim my hair when I relax. And I have to say that we're doing very, very, very good in that realm. Okay. We're doing very good as far as the health. We're doing very good as far as the length. We're slowly getting there, but I'm okay with that because I want the health. I want the health and I want the thickness. So with regard to the trimming, it was just that. I only had to trim my hair and not do another cut, another huge cut or big chop, I should say. So that's very good. I'm very satisfied with that because I got a little nervous. But I don't know why, because I had sort of, I do a mid-check. So I did the mid-check. Everything looked good there. So I don't know. I guess because, when you go through certain trauma as far as your hair, as far as hair loss and all this other stuff, you just sort of, in your mind, sometimes you think the worst. You think the worst and think that something is going to set you back, even though you haven't seen it yet. But still, or even though you've been checking along the way, which is what I've been doing, still in the back of my mind, I was being a little negative Nancy. You know what I mean? Just a little bit, just thinking, okay, this may not be what I want it to be. But guess what? Everything looks good. Everything feels good. I had no issues as far as relaxing. And if I seem a little loopy, it's because I relaxed my hair last night. Yes, late last night. I think I started at 10 p.m. and I didn't end until about 3 a.m. Yes. And that's because, well, I took my time. I did the relaxer, washed it out. And then I took my time with trimming it. I really wanted to see everything, feel everything. So if I seem a little sleepy-eyed right now, it's because I stayed up late last night and finished my hair. But the show must go on. You know how we do it around here. We're like P.T. Barnum up in this piece, okay? We got to keep this thing going, okay? So I'm here. I wanted to give the update. And I also talked about one of the serums. I think I talked about it in my last video, which was the 70s video. But how I'm running out of, I use 2 serums as a finishing serum. I use the Paul Mitchell and I use this, which is the Bain de Terre Recovery Complex Anti-Frizz. So this is what this looks like. This is one of my holy grails. This is my go-to. I mix the two, meaning the Paul Mitchell and this, and I just smooth it on my hair. Well, I'm running out of this, okay? So I went to, where did I go? I went somewhere, I want to say it was either Sally's or Ulta, and I was looking for this. In fact, I think I even went on their website, and they don't make it anymore. Surprise, surprise, they don't make it anymore. They make a different version of it. I will check again, but last I checked, they don't make this one where it just says the Recovery Complex Anti-Frizz. I think the one that they make now has some type of oil in it. Everybody's moving towards like Moroccan oil and argan, and well, I think that's exactly what they did. I think they made this with argan oil because I think the cap is now brown. And I'm just like, I can't win for losing. I just can't, So with that being said, I am going, once I get the last drop out of this, I plan on trying this. Now, I've tried this before. I have this. This is from Theorie. No surprise there. This was part of, I got the argan oil. This was a while back. This was their little travel set. It came in their travel set. So I have the little travel shampoos and conditioners, and it came with the hair serum. I've tried it before and I really liked it because it wasn't heavy, even though it does have argan oil in it. So I think I may try this either in addition to my Paul Mitchell, use a little bit, I use 1 pump of the Paul Mitchell, then I use 5 drops of the Recovery, and I mix my hands together and smooth everything out. But what I may do is I may try this on its own, okay? Try it again, because I did try it before and I liked it. It wasn't heavy, but then I went back to my Holy Grail because I said, okay, well, I already have a Holy Grail, so I'll just stick to this. But now the times are getting a little dire as far as this serum. I think I'm going to try this either by itself or in addition to the Paul Mitchell. I'll just try it out. This may be enough by itself. And again, I don't like my hair to feel heavy or weighed down. Paul Mitchell is perfect for that. The Bain de Terre is very light. It's a thin serum. I don't know what it is now, but the one that I have is very thin. And this isn't too bad either. I don't know. It smells really good. It has like an orange. It smells a little citrusy. It has a citrus smell. And I don't know if I can show you. Let's see if I can show you. Before you didn't know. Okay, there it goes. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. I'll do 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay. So it's pretty, it looks clear, semi-clear. Looks pretty clear. Okay, so it's pretty runny, so it's not really thick, even though it came out very slow. And yeah, it's pretty thin. It's not a thick, goopy serum. And then it has the argan oil infused in it. So I'm going to try it. It's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. So it smooths out really, really nicely. Okay, and comes down really thin. So that's going to be nice. That's going to be nice. Again, I've tried it before, but I remember it being nice, and it should really, yeah, it's not going to weigh my hair down. So it should be really nice. It should be fine. But I wanted to, see what's going on, since, sometimes you got to shift and adjust. Because products, we already talked about it. You find something that you really love, and all of a sudden, hey, we're not selling this anymore. It's like, thanks a lot. That was my favorite. Why are you doing away with it? Anyway, moving on. So I'm going to try it. Now, I looked on their website. They do not, ironically enough, they do not have this exact one. Theorie has changed some of their formulas as well, but they do have a serum with argan oil and sage. I believe they have 3 different serums, and one of them has the argan and the sage in it. So if I end up liking this by itself a little more than just a Paul Mitchell, then I may invest in a full bottle of this, but the sage version. Just wanted to give you an update on that. But everything else was the same as far as the application, as far as the prep. I didn't do anything different. I worked everything through, washed everything out, and yeah, so here we are. Hair is looking and feeling good. I'm gonna give you guys the back shot as usual, and yeah. So let's get right to that. So I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna give you the full view. You know how we do it around here. We got to keep each other in check. But I wanted to definitely check in and let you guys know that I'm on schedule. I'm on schedule. I'm trying to keep this schedule because, again, my hair does very well with a schedule. It does very well with a schedule. As long as I keep that 7 to 8, my hair thrives. Again, when I do it a little longer, it gets drier and a little fussier. And I can just feel it. I can just feel the difference. But once I stay on that schedule, my hair it thrives. It thanks me. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. So yeah, guys, so that's the update. We're doing really well, as you can see. I'm still able to grab it. So I didn't, again, it was a trim. It wasn't a big chop. So I was able to grab just a teeny slither more hair, and everything counts. Every inch, every milli-inch, so forth and so on. And we're slowly inching towards bra strap. So we got miles to go before we sleep. But we're getting there. We're getting to the bra strap, and I'm excited. So again, thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, let me know how everything is going. You already know how we do it around here. We check in with each other, okay? So that's my update. If you want to give me an update, just let me know down below. I'd love to hear it. Are we still doing our regimen? Are we still on track? I know some of y'all have just relaxed for the very first time. I'm so proud of y'all. I'm so proud. I'm proud. But some of y'all have done it for the very first time, and I'm very excited for you, okay? And practice does make perfect. And don't worry about it. We're going to get through this together, because like I said in one of my very first videos, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, so we growing this hair. We are getting healthy hair. Okay, so if you want to check in, let me know down below. Otherwise, we will be back. We'll be talking about some more stuff. We're going to be doing some more stuff. We're going to be doing some more hairstyle stuff. So you come on back for some more stuff. Okay? So thank you so much. And yeah, because you already know, you better come on back, because it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back for some more stuff.